Well, it's been quite a tutorial series. We'll now have a quick review of everything we've learned in this Brackets series. Brackets is a program that you install with an installer program on Windows, or Brew, or Cask, or an installer if you're on Mac. Once it's installed, you can use it anytime. It's built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it's built for HTML and CSS and JavaScript. This gives it good JavaScript and CSS support in terms of linters and code completion, and moreover, it lets people who are developers of these languages contribute more easily to the project. And Brackets has a plugin-based ecosystem. As we saw, we installed a whole bunch of different plugins, and that was really cool. So Brackets itself is kind of bare bones, but you install plugins to Brackets or develop plugins, and things get really cool really fast. So the live editor in Brackets, which we saw, lets you edit 2 files at once, and that is extremely useful for high-speed workflows. Similarly, Live Preview lets you edit CSS in an extremely rapid way. It's one of the best ways to edit CSS, and CSS developers will find it very useful. And finally, QuickDocs lets you see CSS documentation in line while you're writing code. So I'd like to thank you for watching this tutorial series and congratulate you on becoming a pro Brackets developer. Working with a new language or a new IDE is never easy, but you've taken a big first step by taking the time to complete this tutorial series. I hope that if you want to learn more about Brackets, you visit their website at brackets.io. And also, if you're interested in learning more about various technologies, do check out my other video courses. Finally, if you have any questions, be sure to post a question on the appropriate discussion for this course. Cheers!